So, I don't know what it is with birds. Birds and me. Okay. No. Let's go. No. I don't think so. Why? Why? Get out of the way. Why? It's a baby bird, so like. Under. Go. Go under. Go under there. Go under. Under. You can do it. You can do it. Go. Thank you. I don't know what it is about me and birds.